Hello friends, today we shall be looking at an amazing feature in Excel which you can use as a replacement to the cell merge feature. So suppose we have some data with certain columns such as income streams, sources, or any other details as you can see here. Now, we also have a common header as income details in row 1 from columns A to D. As you can see, the header is already merged using the regular merge and center. Similarly, we also have a grand total row below the data as you can see in row 7th. This has been merged as well. This is a simple and most commonly used method to merge cells when we need to merge columns. However, the drawback of using this feature is that you cannot select any particular column you may want to highlight or copy-paste. As you can see, when I press Ctrl Space to select any column from A, B, C, D, the entire 4 columns get selected by default due to the cells merged. This can become irritating at times, also when you make cell movements while being on the merged cells. So, is there any alternative way to merge cells and columns without using the merge and center? Yes, Excel has every solution for you. There is one hidden trick to merge column cells. Let me show you how you can do this. First, select the total columns in the first row wherever you need the merged cells to be visible. So, I will first unmerge the already merged cells and then select A1 to D1. Then go to the Alignment tab and click on the small arrow for Format Cell Settings. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells menu. Now, under the Alignment tab, Text Alignment option, and under the Horizontal Alignment options, open the drop-down and instead of General, select Center Across Selection. This is the substitute to the cell merge. Once you select this option, click on OK. As soon as you click OK, you can see that the heading Income Details is now appearing as if the cells have been merged across columns A to D. The benefit of this feature is that the exact text is still present in cell A1, that is the first column. However, just due to the visibility being modified, this mimics the cell merge behavior. Now, when you select any entire column from A to D by pressing Ctrl+Space, the problem of entire columns getting selected has gone away. Similarly, I can do this for the grand total cells as well. This is a better way to merge cells and columns, but for merging the cells and rows, the regular merge and center feature is still preferable. That's it for today. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please share it with your Excel buddies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.